In this video, I'll show you how to create a silhouette portrait with Circle Glow in Canva. Open Canva and create a new project. Let's use this image as an example. Click to add it to your page. Select the image and click BG Remover to delete the background. Go to Edit. Choose Duotone and select Custom. Adjust both highlights and shadows to black. Next, go to the Elements tab. Search Neon Circle. Click Graphics and pick a suitable circle. Add it to your page. Change the background color to black. Open Position, click Layers, and move the circle layer below your subject. Adjust its size and position as needed. And that's it. For more design tricks, subscribe. Thanks for watching.